Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to share a person's post in your story, how to share a post for your profile, how to share a Reels video, and how to turn off comments for your post on Instagram app step by step. First, go to Instagram app on your phone. Here you can see different posts. Pick a post you want to share in your story. Then tap on the icon next to comment. Then tap on Add Post to your story. Before you share it, you can add a text, adjust the size of it, or add a filter. After your adjustments are complete, then tap on Share button. Tap on Share button. If you want to share a post, tap on the plus icon marked with red. Then choose a photo or video to share. After that, you can add a filter for your post, or you can cut any part of it by tapping on Trim button. After your adjustments are complete, tap on Next button. Then tap on Share button. To share a Reels for your Instagram, tap on the plus icon marked with red. Then choose a video to share Reels. You can cut some part of it if you want. Then tap on Add button. To add a music, tap on the music icon. You can search for any music you want. Then you can decide which part you want to use of music and then tap on Done button. You can add a filter by tapping on the icon marked with red. You can choose which filter you want to use from here. After your adjustments are complete, tap on Next button. Then tap on Share button. If you want to turn off comments for your posts, pick a post you want to turn off comments for it and tap on it. Then tap on three dots at top right and tap on Turn off commenting. Thus, the process of sharing a person's post in your story, sharing a post for your profile, sharing a Reels video, and turning off a comment of your post on Instagram app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment, and click the bell for new videos.